everybody, I am Samir Upadhyay from class 9th to Saraswati Vidya Mandir. It's affiliated to CBSE board Kosi Kalamatra, and my father is a cameraman and my mother is a domestic engineer, and I want to become a politician. I am joined this academy since June, and when I joined this academy I had lack of speaking English and I had lack of knowledge, but I am now able to translate Hindi from Hindi to English, and now I am speak fluent English in front of anyone like my senior and my juniors. And Mr. Lokin sir provides us many assignment sheets like daily vocabulary assignment sheets, tongue twisters, and many more like 33,000 people think that Thursday is the 13th birthday. This is very hard to learn it in first time, but we are practiced and we are able to speak this in English and fluent. I beg to say that don't go to and fro, come directly to Sharp English Academy. It's provide you many things, and it's also provides you a hug library of daily assignment sheets and vocabulary and many verbs, many stories books, and I have also read many assignment sheets and daily books. So I want to say that don't move to and fro, come directly to Sharp English Academy, and you can also learn fluent English through our online YouTube channel Sharp English Academy. Please rate us.